A city rebuilt so beautifully after World War II, from the iconic Brandenburg Gate to the historic Berlin Wall, from the stunning Berlin Cathedral to powerful monuments of the past. I was truly stunned and amazed to see how well the city has been rebuilt. Every street tells a story of strength and resilience. This is Berlin. From Amsterdam, we arrived in Berlin late at night. With only one day in the city, planning was important. So we chose the hop-on hop-off bus, the best option when time is limited. It covers all the main attractions and gives a clear overview of the city. We started our journey near the TV tower, one of the most central points in Berlin. From here, the city slowly opened up, wide roads, clean streets and modern buildings. Berlin felt well planned and easy to explore. Our first stop was the Berlin Wall. This wall once divided a city, a country, and millions of lives. Built in 1961, it separated East Berlin from West Berlin during the Cold War. Families were separated, freedom was restricted, and lives changed forever. The wall stood here for nearly 28 years. In 1989, it finally fell, marking a new chapter in German history. Walking along the Berlin Wall was deeply emotional. The remaining sections are now covered with murals and messages. Each artwork tells a story of pain, protest, hope and freedom. Some parts of the wall remain exactly as they were. Standing here makes you pause and reflect. This is not just history, it's a reminder of how valuable freedom is. From the Berlin Wall, we continue to the Berlin Cathedral. Here we arrived at the Berlin Cathedral, one of the most important landmarks in the city. The Berlin Cathedral, also known as the Berliner Dom, has a long and powerful history. It was built in the late 19th and early 20th century and has been a symbol of religion, culture and royalty in Berlin. It was heavily damaged during World War II. Later it was carefully restored, showing how Berlin rebuilt itself after the war. From the outside, it looks grand and majestic. The large green dome dominates the skyline. The detailed stonework, statues and arches show incredible craftsmanship. To go inside, you need a ticket, which you can buy from the counter. Once inside, the atmosphere completely changed. The interior is stunning with high ceilings, beautiful mosaics and golden details. The altar, stained glass windows and artwork reflect centuries of history. The silence and calm inside made this visit very special. Walking through it felt peaceful and meaningful. Berlin Cathedral is not just a church, it's a symbol of Berlin's strength, history and rebirth. As I walked out of the Berlin Cathedral, I was still impressed by the city. The mix of history, architecture and modern life was truly amazing. From here, we continued our journey to the next stop, the Brandenburg Gate. We got down from the bus and walked towards the gate. From a distance, the Brandenburg Gate already looked powerful. Standing closer, I could feel the importance of this place. The gate was built in the late 18th century. It was originally constructed as a symbol of peace. Over time, it became a witness to some of Germany's most important moments. During the Cold War, the gate stood near the Berlin Wall and became a symbol of division. Today it represents unity, freedom and a new Germany. Being here felt like a bucket list moment. I had always seen this gate in photos and history books, but standing right in front of it was a completely different feeling. I felt happy, proud and inspired to be here. I slowly walked towards the gate, passed under it and crossed to the other side. It felt symbolic, like walking through history itself. This moment will always stay with me. After the gate, we explored the German Parliament building from the outside and the nearby places. The architecture around this area is impressive, historic yet modern. From here, we got back on the bus and continued exploring the city. As we moved through Berlin, we passed many important spots and neighborhoods. The city has a very modern vibe. It is amazing to see how Berlin has been rebuilt after World War II. Everything feels well planned, open and thoughtfully designed. This is a city that needs time. Berlin is huge and it deserves to be explored slowly. Maybe next time I will come back with more days to really experience it. This visit made me appreciate the strength and resilience of the city. This video is a part of my Europe travel series. Hope you have watched my previous episodes from Paris, Luxembourg, Brugge and Amsterdam. If not, please do watch them. From Berlin, we took a train to Prague. Stay tuned for the next episode where Prague will be covered. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. As a small channel, your support truly means a lot. Until the next destination, this is Sobi, your travel enthusiast, signing off.